Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. We're going to bring another design here. This is going to be the Leopold knot, a Mark Twain title. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual, same spot. I'm just going to put in like a mocha pinch there. Any fold will do. We're going to come around like so. We're going to do a kind of a cylinder. We're going to go around once, we're going to go around twice. Then we're going to go up through here like this. Then I'm going to come open this. Then I'm going to come through like that. I'm going to leave it wide, kind of leave it loose like that. Fold it in half, come around like this, and then we're going to come back over like so. Let me put my collar down, and then as I'm fixing that, I'll tuck this under here. There you have the Leopold. So again, oh no time, my friends, your fifth one if made. Check me out on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials, and also hit the bell notification here, and then go over to Stylish Leadership. Follow us there as well. See you in the next video. Peace and God bless.